Hi everyone, welcome to your YouTube channel Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to knit these beautiful flower blues, and maybe you wondering why in English. Well, for now in the next videos we're going to work each other with speaking out in English. So let me know about your opinions and share with us about the video. Today I'm going to show you how to knit these beautiful flower blues for the Mother's Day. It's a kind of gift that you can give to your mother. Remember, give us your opinions, your recommendation to continue making this type of videos. You can leave us your designs to make it and more. So let's start with this video. Thanks. Today I'm gonna show you how to weave these beautiful flowers. Are very simple, and I have made them in a cappuccino brown color due to I would like to knit a blouse in the same color. So if you would like to weave a blouse, so let me know to make on this May 10 Mother's Day. So do not forget put your comments. The materials we are going to use are 2 millimeters of wool. I show you, you can see you can use any type of wool to fit your needs economic. In this occasion I will use these three colors for the flower. I use this hook to knit at 3.50 millimeters, needle for wool or yarn. Okay, we'll start turning the yarn on my finger to make a magic ring. We will pass our material, we can close, and we need 1, 2 additional chains inside the circle. We do double crochet and double crochet on finish, and we will bind off again. We make 1, 2, 3 chains in the same space. We make double crochet and finish again, double crochet and finish again, and enough. Let's do 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 in the same space, and repeat double crochet and finish 3 times, 1, 2, 3 and enough, 1, 2, 3 and enough. Again 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 and enough. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 and enough. Again 1, 2, 3 chains, and we're going to count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 petals. Now we are going to take right here where we start, and we are going to pull the yarn just a little from the first circle that closes. We already saw which one it was. That's the same. Let's put it, preventing a closing. We're going to pull it as much possible, and once it is closed, we will take our point where we start and close tight. Just here, we already have our flower closed. Now we are going to pass right here, and we have our last petal, and we will join them to make a slip stitch. Now we're going to put this piece now we are going to lose this a little piece of wool that we have here. I'm going to pass it through my first petal, first down, the part of the back, and then try to integrate it back to the center of the flower. We will spend a little time doing this, but you will see that it will have a good results. And remember that you can use this as an idea for Mother's Day to give this beautiful flower. Just we're going to cut right here, and we have our first flower. Well, now we will add our next color for this beautiful flower. We begin in this part where I have my chains done right here. Now I just pass through my already mid chain and I take it without noting and knit a slip stitch, just one, and we count 1, 2 and 3 chains, and at the same time I will lose this little piece of wool. Now inside the chains I start knitting 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3 chains within this same slip stitch space. Now I'm going to the next space. This is my way I meet my first petal, right here where my first petal is. I go to the next space with a slip stitch, 1, 2 and 3 chains inside in the same space. I begin the knit 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, and in the same space slip stitch. Here my petal is finished. I still have my next space, and here we need a slip stitch, and again we need 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We need 3 chains and we need a slip stitch in the next space, slip stitch, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again the same process. Again a slip stitch. In the next space we need a slip stitch and again 3 chains and 5 double crochet, and again 3 chains, and we need a slip stitch, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this little piece of wool we're going to cut it like this. Just on the top of the flower we're going to need 3 chains, and at the bottom part of the flower we need a slip stitch. Okay, just we need to put up this little piece of wool. We're going to loose through the chains. Make sure that in color that is the same, and we're going to disappear this piece of wool. So we will going to do with patience, little by little, until this piece of wool disappears. Okay, well friend, this is the way we make this flower. It's already finished, and it is very easy to do in a few minutes. We finish it. I would like to tell you us more about your recommendation in the next video to know what kind of color you would like to make. Remember that we will continue do videos translate for English, and so subscribe and like the channel, give us your comments, and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao.